Hi there, tubers. Welcome back. Today I want to tell you a story about this deck. This is a B77 Mark II. Um, I recapped it and completed it a while back, several months ago, and it was working perfectly. And it went to another home, right? So about a few weeks ago, it was returned to me for a second look. Because what had happened was all of a sudden the deck start spilling tape, and when you go to rewind and fast forward, it would just reach part away and just crawl to a stop. So I said, you know what, let me take a second look at this deck, because something is wrong. Spilling tape and just crawling. Anyway, it came in and so it came back to me, and so I analyzed it, and I figured that it's obviously the transport going on, starting from the run caps to the drive control board. So what I did, I'll just tell you what I did, because like I said in most of my videos, I just cannot work and shoot the videos. I rather just tell you what I did and show you, and try to explain it as much as possible to you what I did. Tell you the issue and what I did to solve it. So this tape was like I said, was just not turning properly. So come to find out that sometimes when you press the button also, none of the buttons will work. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't work, sometimes it works. It's like a toss-up. So something was definitely wrong with the deck. So anyway, I got back and I found out that the prom was shot, and I look on eBay to see if I could get another board, and I look, and because you just can't run out and buy these things. You just have to wait and be patient. So I finally got another board that I had here before, and I removed the prom from that and put it over here. And so while I was doing that, before I did that, I did look at the brakes, right? But seeing that it was running and stopping, I had to sort out the drive motor first, the drive PC board first. So after I put the prom in, this motor started to turn rapidly, and then I pulled out the board, and let me look here. We found that C8 on the drivetrain board was shorted. So I replaced that, plug it back in, and I get my function buttons back working. So with respect to the brakes now, so I remove everything, remove the brake drums. Let me show you what the brake drums are in case somebody's watching and don't. Oh, I'd have to pull this off again. I don't want to do that. The brake drums are behind here. So I put new brake pads. I put new brake pads and new brake bands. Right? These are the old ones. I changed those. And okay, so I changed those, and I found that the solenoids would not go in all the way when the deck is playing. Right, when you hit play, it would just kind of hesitate. The solenoid right here would just hesitate. This is a pinch roller solenoid. It would just hesitate, and so does the brake solenoid. It would also hesitate, and thus the tape would start spilling. Right. So what I did, I removed both solenoids and I cleaned them. Right. Now the solenoid, when you pull it, for those who are working on these decks, when you pull the solenoid, it will have like a charcoal color to it, but it's all muck over the years that built up on it. So I took a 1000 grade, very fine sandpaper, and I just rub it down to smooth, get off all the crumb, put it back in. I did that to both of them, put it back in, and boom. No more hesitation, just working fine. And I must point out that you should never put oil on these solenoid. They should be bone dry. No oil whatsoever should be on them. Just leave them bone dry. Okay, so now the things start to work properly, right? So, but the reel, sometimes the reel would kind of, you see it want to go, but it don't want to go. It want to go, but it don't want to go. So what I did, I removed the motors. I removed both motors, and I changed the bearings. This side was good, but this side, two bearings were like the old grease over time build up and kind of holding it back. It really was stuck in there. But when I did this deck, they were just smooth, not a sound, no sound. It just was just fine, So I didn't think I had to change them at the time. But when I pull it off, the grease just muck up. So this is a good tip for myself as a reminder, and for people who are doing these decks. When you're doing the deck, just pull them out and pull out the bearings and just change them, or just re-grease them or something. But make sure you look at them, because you don't want to do what happened here. I had to redo that work. So I'm pointing this out. I'm not hiding anything. I'm just telling my viewers, straight up what's happening. So the deck is working properly now, I'm pleased to say. There was no problem with the electronics. However, the gentleman did demonstrate to me that whenever he plugged in his guitar amplifier, it looked like he plugged the guitar amplifier in the headphone jack, and it just gave a lot of buzzing sound. So I tried to recreate that issue by just plugging my headphone and try to record something and play that, but I just couldn't recreate that noise. But his had a weird pop-in, grinding, just a weird sound. But I just couldn't do it here. So I don't know if the output of this is driving the guitar amplifier too much. Might be this voltage here coming out going to the guitar amplifier might be too high. I don't know. I'd have to see how he sets up. But anyway, bottom line is the deck is working fine, and I'll just demonstrate here to you. I'll just press play. Not too much. Mr. YouTube is here watching me. And rewind. And I just go right into reverse. Right, it slows down and bam, right into reverse. Before it wasn't doing all that. So you see how it's moving fast now? It's really winding fast. See that? It was never like that before. Right. So this thing is really working properly. I just rethread it again. And one thing I should point out also, for people who buy tape on eBay, like the old tapes, those tapes will ruin your deck, meaning it will just crug up the pathway, the tape path, because this one came back. It looked like, you know, I had to clean the path again because it had some kind of tape residue on it. So, you know, and that will also contribute to the tape not winding or rewinding properly. So you just have to be aware of that. So I'm rewinding now. And I'm just gonna stop. So one trick I know is to just go back into fast forward and just stop. Yeah, success. The tape is working properly. It plays, it records, it all works. Yeah, but like I say, you know, you just got to be diligent and take your time, because I really wanted to complete this deck before I leave, because I'm gone again this weekend. I'm gone again, so I'm glad that it's working properly. So now I can notify the gentleman and send it off this week. Great. So, yeah. So sorry I couldn't show you everything I did, because it takes a long time to do this. Yeah. So anyway, just for tips, and I always tell people, a lot of viewers hit me up and say, oh, I have this deck and it's not working, and, you know, tell me what's going on. And I always, if it's something simple, you know, I'll respond in kind. But if it's something more technical, I always refer them to tapehead.net, because that's where the experts are, and that's where I started out. You know, I went to tapehead.net and state my issue, and like I said, I just continue doing that. And plus, I write down everything, you know. I write down all the tips I can get. I write them down. I have another book full of tips. So if something goes wrong, I just look it up. And that's how I reached this stage. But I'm by no means an expert on reel-to-reel deck. I'm still learning. Every day I learn something. Like now, I learned that, listen, when you get the deck, just pull it apart, and all the mechanicals, just service them, you know. Another thing I did too, I pulled the pinch roller arm, pull it out, clean it up nicely, put it back in, so it goes working real nice now. So everything is good. The tape is working working nicely. Yeah, so I'm very pleased, and I'm quite sure that the gentleman will be pleased, and let's hope it get to him in all one piece with USPS or UPS, whichever comes first. Anyway, thank you for stopping by, and see you in the next long time. I even have another B77 still working on it. You know, I don't know when I'll get to it, but it's in pieces over there. Yeah. Anyway, thank you for stopping by, and see you next time. Bye.